Welcome to this playlist on jet engine, guys. In this whole playlist we will be creating this jet engine in SolidWorks software. First we will model all of these parts separately, and as you can see, this is the housing for this jet engine. We will model it in SolidWorks. And then the next part is the propeller. As you can see here, this right here is the propeller. We will model it separately, and after that we are left with the shaft, and this right here is the shaft for this propeller jet. We will model it separately. After modeling all of these parts separately, we will assemble them in SolidWorks, and as you can see, this is the exploded view of this jet engine. We will make this view as well. So if you want to model all of these parts, you want to model the assembly and make this animation view, I will provide the link of this whole playlist in description. So that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video.